Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Billy here. And in this video today I'm unboxing the whole new Xiaomi Redmi Note 8 and I'll be making a quick review on it as well. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please stop whatever you're doing, hit the red subscribe button right now, and without any further delay, let's go to the video. When you open the device, you're greeted with this pack here, which contains the warranty card. Keep that aside. The user manual here, which contains all the necessary information you need about this device. And Xiaomi was generous enough to include the silicone case in this device. And then you're greeted with the device itself. Wow, look at that, guys. Look at that. It looks so nice. Like, look at the device. Well, we're going to talk more about the device, but for now, let's keep that aside and let's see what else we have in the box. Yes, we have the charger, USB Type-C cable here, and then the charging adapter here. Yeah, that's about it, guys. That's what you get from the box. It doesn't come with any headphones or anything. This is about what you get from the device. When you look at the back of the device, you're going to notice it has the fingerprint sensor here, which is quite fast, and it has a quad camera here and a flashlight, some Redmi branding here, some quick specifications on the back here. And when you turn it to the front, you'll be greeted with the water drop notch here, which is housing the camera, the front facing camera. And when you look at the bottom here, you see another Redmi branding here. The chin here on the device is quite slim. It's not a very big bezel here. I like the way they did with the bezel. It's not so big. At the bottom of the device, you see the Type-C charging port, and some microphone here, and 3.5mm earphone jack, and speaker. When you look at the top, there's nothing much at the top. It's just when you look at the top, it's just a speaker here. I don't know why they put two speakers on it, but I think it's for the best. When you look at the side of the device, you see the SIM card tray. SIM card tray here, which houses a memory card. It's a hybrid SIM card tray which houses two SIM cards and a memory card. And when you look at the right hand side, you see the volume rocker case and the power button here. That's about it for the physical of the device. I don't know, like this device, when you see the back, it looks glossy. It attracts lots of fingerprints on the back, but it feels like it's glass, but I learned that it's not glass, it's some plastic material which Xiaomi uses here. It looks so nice. You think it's a glass, but it's not glass. I don't think this material breaks. It sure feels premium when you hold the device. Looks very strong. The Xiaomi Note 8 is one of the two units in this series launched by Xiaomi on the same day, giving the promise of the company to bring devices with the best specs to the market at highly affordable prices. Let's see how the Xiaomi Redmi Note 8 keeps up to that promise. The first thing you see when you look at this 6.3-inch beauty is how much the screen was made to take the shine on the front. The IPS display offers 1080 by 2340 pixel resolution with 19.5.9 aspect ratio that can make it great for watching movies, playing games, social media, and browsing the web as well. So far, the camera seems to be the most interesting part of the Xiaomi Note 8. You would think so too, considering the usage of a 48 megapixel main sensor on the back of the device. And on the front, the selfie unit is rated at just 13 megapixels. We would have expected more due to the promise we have waited on the back, but that's what we have to make do with. I did a camera test on this device and here's some of the pictures I got. octa-core Snapdragon 665 chipset for this big guy, with the first 4 cores clocking up to 2.0 GHz and the other 4 clocking up to 1.8 GHz. It is paired with the Adreno 610 GPU for better graphics handling, which enhance better gaming. It currently runs on Android 9 Pie software with MIUI 10 slapped on it. Well, as of now, there's no indication that this unit will be getting the Android 10 release when it starts rolling out, but I personally think this device should really get the Android 10 update. Besides that, Xiaomi allow fans to pick up the Redmi Note 8 in storage options of 32GB, 64GB and 128GB, and RAMs of either 3GB, 4GB or 6GB of RAM. But the 128GB model of the Xiaomi Note 8 is only available in 6GB of RAM. The variant with me here is the 4GB RAM and 64GB ROM variant. Note, it supports maximum memory card storage of 256GB. That's pretty low. I mean, there are some devices I've seen so far that supports up to 500 plus gigabytes of external memory card storage. Powering this smartphone is 4000 mAh non-removable battery, supported by an 18 watts fast charging capability. I use this device for like a week now, and believe me guys, the battery on this device is very strong. Take it from me, if you're an average user, you're going to get like 3 to 4 days of battery life. If you're a heavy user, you're going to get more than 24 hours of battery power. I was so impressed by this phone's battery life. The Redmi Note 8 comes in 3 different colors: the crystal green, crystal blue and the space black. As you can see, the one with me here is the space black. The Xiaomi Redmi Note 8 price in Nigeria starts at around 60,000 naira for the 32GB model and 65,000 naira for the 64GB model. I got mine for exactly 65,000 naira. That's it about the Xiaomi Redmi Note 8 guys, and if you like this video, please make sure you leave a thumbs up and please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. You can also help support my channel by sharing this video to your friends. Thank you so much. See you in the next video guys.